Hi, good morning. Wow, what's better now?
Relax
Oh,
lang.
hello, baby. Yan na you. Hey, so pretty. Hi, baby. Hi, hi. Hi, cute.
Relax lang.
Man, I'm baby.
Dito ka.
Hey! Good morning! Well, what's better now? Okay, go. Laseng, kagabeng. Mga anak guys, samsam guys. Nandito kayo guys. Oh, good mood pa kanina na siya. Good mood guys. Pag good mood siya, ganito. Smile na smile. Pag bad trip,